Hey everyone, I am back at Snake River Canyon dedication points. It's beautiful out today. It looks like they put in a set of fences here, which I think is interesting, but I'm going out here and I'm going to fly my DJI Mini 3 Pro. When you guys voted, you all said to fly the Avata 2, and that's great. I can't wait to fly that. However, I only fly it with a spotter, and there's only 3 people in the state of Idaho that I trust to be a spotter for me. And 2 of them are camping right now, and I don't know where Marcus is. I think he's still in Oregon. So I'm going with the second choice, which is the Mini 3 Pro. So let's go. Since today is going to be a very hot day, I'm going to limit what I'm going to fly here today. I'm just probably going to do a master shot and maybe some of the more automated, flights like a drone and stuff like that, or an orbit, just to keep it quick today because it's going to get kind of hot. And also, I'd like to get up to the top of Table Rock today as well. So I got a bunch of things planned for today, but I just had to squeeze some time out here and go out to Dedication Point and go fly. It's been a while. So let's get going. Hey everybody, just a quick PSA. Whenever you're out in bright sunlight like this and there's no shade and it's getting towards noon, you always want to bring some sunblock with you. So be safe when you're flying. Don't burn and fly. Well, that was fun. I had an excellent flight with the DJI Mini 3 Pro and took a few pictures, got the master shots, but I was going to pack it up. But I do have my Mavic 3 Cine with me, and come on, I can't resist this. It's a great, beautiful day out here at the canyon. So I'm just setting up the Mavic 3 right now, and we'll be airborne shortly, and I'll be doing some master shots and flying around and swooping down on the Snake River, which is looking absolutely stunningly beautiful today. I really wish I was out kayaking on the river right now. It looks perfect. Anyway, let's go flying. Hey everybody, it's Tania here. What a great day to fly. I'm just wrapping up now and getting some water in, because that's important too. Sunscreen and water will save your life here, so always be safe when you're flying. But it was a great day to fly. I haven't been out for the past couple of weeks because work's been kind of crazy, and I managed to scrape together some time to come out here, and the weather is perfect, albeit very, very hot. The sun is really beaten down right now. I've had to apply my sunscreen multiple times already, so I'm already packed up and the wind, and ready to get going. So I hope you enjoyed this little trip out to the canyon with me, and I hope to have many more trips out here. I really miss coming out here and enjoying this quiet, the solitude, the silence. It's great. Just me and the drones. All right, everyone, happy flying. Talk to you later. Peace out.